Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to create bundle on DomainLiq. First, let's go to the dashboard and the portfolio, and I have quite domains here. So you can either create a bundle, like here there's this, in this toggle you pick the bulk listings, you can create a bundle here directly. And you can pick the domains from here, you can pick all your verified domains or unverified domains, none of them, select all. You can sell all your portfolio here, create bundle. But I will do it from here. I'm gonna sort from expiration, pick, XYZ, and then I will pick the all, like here we have 50 domains, which I can pick more, but 50 is good. The expiration date is almost like more than a month. So yeah, so what we are doing, we just click create a bundle, and then we are here, and just like testing. No. Tutorial. $50 domains, 5 for each. Let's say 250. 200 is too cheap. 299. I didn't even check the domains, by the way. I think they are good ones. We can check later. This is a test. Not test. Tutorial. Okay, now here is the part whether you want to keep it private or you want to, like we already selected before, and you want to keep it private or a public one. Let's say if you want to rely on the time, you can list on the search engines, like it can be indexable, but you can also keep it private. It will not be listed anywhere. So you will just get a link and share with the buyer, and you will start the process. Let's do a private bundle, okay? And I want to add the times, like time to duration. Let's say I want to make it 24 hours. Once you click this, 24 or 48, let's choose 24. Okay, everything looks good. Create a bundle, and now we have this bundle tutorial here. It's private. Yeah, so like you can double check, go to the bulk listings, it will not appear here. You can go to your store and your bulk listings. These are my old ones. So it is not appearing anywhere. But if you want to make it public, you just come here and close this. That's all. If you want to make it indexable, click this, but let's just make it public. Update. So now again, let's go to the marketplace, bulk listings, here, bundle tutorial, view the bundle. And as you see, this is our bundle landing page. We have 50 domains here. You can see the registrar, you can see in the grid view, the list view. There is a trick here. It says like if you buy them separately, which is true, one by one, the total cost is here, but actually right now you can buy this bundle here, like $2.98. This is how it works section. And there's one thing I want you guys to know. When you do any edit on your bundle, let's say you change the title, you add something, and then you add a domain. You want to add more XYZ domains, which you can. Okay. And you update it, okay? It's public right now, everybody can see. And then you go to your bundle landing page, and then you're gonna see it's like 53 domains, the per domain price. And here we have the bundle activity chart, where this is where we are being open. Okay, like whatever you do gonna be recorded here, so you have to be careful. I mean, you just like whatever you do, it's gonna be recorded. It's for trust, give more trust to the sellers. Yeah, so like you can always like sell domains one by one from the bundle. They will already gonna show here as sold. Okay. But if it's a private one, it will show nowhere. Okay. Yeah, I think we are good. This is just about bundles. What else I can tell you? You can contact the sellers. I mean, yeah, buyers can contact you here and buy the bundle. You can either pay with cards if you integrate your Stripe or pay with USDC, which is crypto. It's all like a secure escrow, like the funds held in DomainLiq. Once you transfer all the domains to the buyer, you will get payment. So yeah, now I will delete the tutorial bundle from my store. Sorry, bulk listings. Yeah, delete. Okay, so that's it. I hope it's helpful. Goodbye.